How are you all? This is your English teacher, Mr. Shivam Dhiman, and I am welcoming you all to the online video class. And today's topic is parts of speech. So let us begin our video with the explanation. First of all, what the term parts of speech mean? All words may be classified into 8 groups called parts of speech. Means अपनी sentences जो हम लिखते हैं या हम जो भाषा बोलते हैं उसमें जो शब्द हम जिससे ये आपका वाक्य या आपकी भाषा आप जिसका प्रयोग कर रहे हैं उसके कई भाग या कई ग्रुप्स में उसको बांटा जा सकता है, इसे ही पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच कहा जाता है. जैसे यू आर वेरी नाइस, तो यहाँ पर यू प्रोनाउन है, आर वर्ब्स जिसे हेल्पिंग वर्ब कह सकते हैं, वेरी एडवर्ब है और नाइस एडजेक्टिव है. ठीक. द पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच. देर आर मेनली 8 पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज दैट आर नाउन्स संज्ञा, प्रोनाउंस सर्वनाम, वर्ब्स क्रिया, एडजेक्टिव्स विशेषण, एडवर्ब्स क्रिया विशेषण, कंजंक्शंस समुच्चय बोधक या योजक, इंटरजेक्शंस विस्मयादि बोधक और प्रेपोजिशंस यानी कि संबंध बोधक. पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच आर आइडेंटिफाइड बाय द प्लेस दे हैव इन द सेंटेंस, नॉट बाय देयर मीनिंग्स. तो पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच सेंटेंस में उनकी प्लेस या पोजीशन के द्वारा जाने जाएंगे, नॉट बाय देयर मीनिंग्स, उनके अर्थ के आधार पर नहीं उनको जाना जाएगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू द टर्म नाउन्स. अ नाउन इज़ अ पर्सन, प्लेस, थिंग और एन आइडिया. एज यू ऑल नो, नाउन को हम हिंदी में संज्ञा कहते हैं. एंड नाउन्स आर द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ अ सेंटेंस. दे टेल अस अबाउट द नेम्स ऑफ person, place, thing or any animal. Okay, like teacher, lion, Ali, love. So teacher is a common noun, lion is a common noun, Ali is a proper noun and love is an abstract noun. Nouns can be singular or plural. Singular nouns means only and only one person, place, thing or an idea, like an apple, the car, a table. And plural nouns means 2 or more persons, places, things or an idea. Okay, like apples, cars, tables. There are 5 kinds of nouns which are as follows. Common nouns tells us the word used to demonstrate for a class of person, place or thing, like car, man, student, teacher, doctor, lady, etc. Proper nouns tell us the name of a person, place or thing, means having its own original name to distinguish a particular person. They always starts or begins with the capital letter, like Michael, Africa, Park Street. Collective nouns. These are the words that shows a collection or a group of people or things, like collection of players, team, jury, bunches, bouquet, school, pride, etc. Abstract nouns shows the abstract feelings, ideas or qualities which are felt to us and cannot be easily touched or seen. For example, love, hatredness, kindness, imagination, courage, intelligence, etc. Material nouns are the names of a material substance or an ingredient of an alloy from which the goods are prepared or made. For example, I purchased a gold ring. Calcium is good for health. So here gold and calcium are the minerals. Gold is a metal and calcium is a mineral. Okay, I wear a cotton shirt. So here cotton is a material noun. What are pronouns? Pronouns को हम हिंदी में सर्वनाम कहते हैं. एंड दीज आर द वर्ड्स दैट आर यूज इन द प्लेसेस ऑफ नाउन और रिप्लेसेस अ नाउन, मीन्स दे एलिमिनेट द नीड फॉर रिपीटिशन. तो बार बार अगर हम जैसे एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं तो इंस्टीड ऑफ टॉकिंग हिना टॉक टू हिनाज चाइल्ड, तो हम क्या बोलते हैं, हिना टॉक टू हर चाइल्ड. हियर हर इज द प्रोनाउन एंड इट रीनेम्स द हिना. Types of pronouns. There are several types of pronouns which are as follows. Personal pronouns, purushvachak sarvanam, which refer to specific persons or things, and they can be act as subjects, objects or possessives. They can be singular or plural. Singular subjects are I, me, you, she, her, he, him, it. Plural subjects are we, us, you, they, them. Possessives and reflexive pronouns. Possessive pronouns indicate the ownership or possession to show a belonging of a person, like this is my book, it is your pencil, this is his dog. Reflexive pronouns shows a name of a receiver who's of an action who is identical to the doer of the action. For example, Ahmad congratulated himself on his grades. Intensive pronoun emphasize a noun or another pronoun. इन्हें हम दूसरी भाषा में emphasizing pronoun भी कहते हैं. I saw Imran Khan himself on the ground. Reciprocal pronouns expressed shared feelings or actions like each other, one other. Each other, one another are the examples of reciprocal pronouns. Maria and Saba help each other in their homework. Indefinite pronouns or distributive pronouns refers to non-specific persons and things. For example, all, another, other, anyone, both, each means when we are pointing to each and every person at a single or at the same time. Like nobody knows that where is the pencil. Demonstrative pronouns are considered the noun markers. They point towards the noun. So these words, they contain the words like this, that, these, those. While this and that are used for singular and that and those and these are used for plurals. ठीक है, that और this singular के लिए और these और those plural के लिए. That woman attends the party. This is a wonderful story. Interrogative and relative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns introduce questions. ये questions put up करने के लिए इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं interrogative pronouns. Like who is going on vacation, where are you going, और आपका when your work would be completed. Relative pronouns introduce dependent clauses and refers to a person or thing already mentioned in a sentence. They are used to join two or more sentences. Like the English that we learn in class will help us pass the exam. This is the book which I want from many days. Adjectives. हिंदी में हम इन्हें क्या बोलते हैं, विशेषण. And adjective is a qualifying word or modifies a noun or pronoun. Normally in English, adjectives come before noun, means they are placed before a noun to highlight or to modify or qualify or describe it. Like the smart student earned an A grade. So here smart is the quality of that student. And they also come after linking verbs. For example, I feel happy. Happy is the feeling. And also it is showing a quality of a child. Adverbs. Adverb is a word that modifies an action, verb, an adjective or another adverb. Means जो शब्द किसी क्रिया की विशेषता बताते हैं या दूसरे क्रिया विशेषण की विशेषता बता रहे होंगे, वहाँ पर एडवर्ब्स होगा. द टीचर केयरफुली ग्रेडेड द होमवर्क. अब ये आप याद रखिएगा कि अगर हम किसी भी वर्ड में ILY या LY का एडिशन यूज़ करते हैं, सफिक्स लगा देते हैं, तो वो एडवर्ब बन जाता है. जैसे लाउड, लाउडली, sweet, sweetly, angry, angrily. The teacher carefully graded the homework. So here carefully are the adverb. You need an adjective after linking verbs, not an adverb. तो जब भी आप एडजेक्टिव आप मतलब किसी भी लिंकिंग वर्ब की बात क्या लगाएंगे, सिर्फ और सिर्फ एन एडजेक्टिव, एडवर्ब नहीं लगाएंगे. ठीक है. हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ एडवर्ब्स आर देयर? एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर, एडवर्ब्स ऑफ टाइम, एडवर्ब्स ऑफ प्लेस and adverb of frequency. Adverb of manner tells us that in which the manner the action occurs or how the action is occurring or will occur. Like it tells us the way or the manner in which an action is performing, means रीतिवाचक. ठीक है. She speaks loudly. He was driving slowly. Adverbs of time tell us about the time of an action. ये क्या बताते हैं? कब काम हुआ, आपने काम कब किया. I will buy a computer tomorrow. Do it now. So here tomorrow and now are the time telling words. Adverbs of place, they tell us about the place where the action is performing. He will come here. She went upstairs. So here upstairs and here are the words which tell us about the place. Adverbs of frequency tells us how many times the action is occurring, means what certain time period or what time after an action is performed. Like he seldom comes here, he goes to school daily, he is always late for school. तो daily, always, seldom क्या है? frequency. Adverbs of frequency. कंजंक्शंस जिसे हम हिंदी में समुच्चय बोधक या योजक भी कहते हैं. These are the scotch tape of the grammatical words. They join together words and phrases. They are called as jointers or connectors. कंजंक्शंस दो से ज़्यादा वर्ड्स, phrases या sentences को join करते हैं. There are 3 types of conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions जिसमें fan boys आते हैं, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Correlative conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions. ठीक है. Correlative conjunctions जो होंगे इनमें आपके 2 conjunctions एक साथ यूज़ होते हैं. Means conjunctions which are used in pairs are correlative conjunctions, like not only, but also, either or, both, and, neither nor. ठीक है. फिर आपका है subordinating conjunctions. ठीक है. इसमें because, although, otherwise, while, since यूज़ होगा. Interjections, हिंदी में इन्हें हम विस्मयादि बोधक कहते हैं. These words used to express emotional states of feeling, like oh, wow, ouch, oops, hey. Interjections always use an exclamatory mark after the interjection words. They are usually found in spoken English. Okay. Prepositions, हिंदी में हम इन्हें क्या बोलते हैं? संबंध बोधक. Because these words are like just conjunctions, join a noun or pronoun to another word in a sentence, or show a relation between to a noun or pronoun with another word. Some prepositions are about, before, down, into, through, above, behind, during, like, etc. and it tells us about the time, place, duration, position, etc. Verbs को हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? क्रिया. Verbs generally express action or a state of being. There are several classifications for verbs, like action verbs, you eat, sing, dance, clap are some action verbs. Linking verbs, main verbs, auxiliary verbs जिन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? Helping verbs, transitive और intransitive verb, सकर्मक और अकर्मक क्रिया and phrasal verbs. Action verbs shows an action, like the action or the work which is happening. He runs, he plays. So this was the explanation video of the chapter the parts of speech. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and also share it and press the like button. Have a nice day, student.